Respected chairperson, cluster head, headmasters, all the teachers, and my beloved brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. I, Patan Nazmin Feroz, Standard 8, will talk about national flag today. Patriotism starts creeping in our blood as we reach the month of January, and each passing day our emotions for our national mount up. The whole nation looks upon to celebrate Republic Day in a very grand manner. 26 January, we all wake up early in the morning to celebrate Republic Day. With all our emotions, we stood in front of the national flag and we salute it. Our mind gets eager to see bicolors flying in the air. Brothers and sisters, our national flag tries to communicate with us, but we turn a deaf ear to its communication. It is trying to convey a message the whole national. It is trying to convey a message to all citizens of India. The saffron color of our stands for courage and selflessness. Courage should not be exhibited to torture our fellow citizens. Courage should not be exhibited to degrade helpless people. Courage should not be exhibited to dominate our fellow citizens who are innocent. Those who blame they are really patriotic need to introspect if they are practicing courage in the right manner. Courage should be exhibited to save people from atrocities. Courage is something that should be exhibited to save our country from our enemies. Courage is something that should be exhibited to save poor people. There are some people jealous of Indian democracy, secularism. They are showing the bits of enemy between Hindu and Muslim with lots of communal rights. We all are Indians and we should practice honor each other. As I maintain saffron color represent honestly. It reminded us to perform our duty sincerely, especially political people, government servants perform our duty honestly. Brothers and sisters, the middle part of our national flag is white. White color represent honesty, purity and peace of accurate Indian philosophy. White color represent cleanliness. White color strip of our national flag questions our characters. Thousands of Indians tortured today. We salute our national flag. We should practice peace. If we honor our national flag, we should practice history honestly. And if we respect our national flag, we should practice truth. White color of our national flag, all of to lead of maintaining in peace. The lower part of our national flag is green, which represent faith and prosperity. In today's world, common people have lost their faith in political leaders. I sum up my speech with the message that it has been tremendous pleasure to be here and deliver a speech on national flag. I thank my school and I thank all of you for making this remarkable day. Thank you and have a pleasant day.